How to reset your iPhone 16. First, let's go into settings and make sure everything is backed up before we proceed with the reset. Tap on your name at the top of the screen, then scroll down until you find iCloud and select it. Next, tap on iCloud Backup and you'll see the backup option. I recommend tapping Backup Now to ensure all your data, like text messages and other important files, is saved to the latest version. Once the backup is complete, go back by tapping the back button twice. Now, scroll down until you see General and select it. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now choose Erase All Content and Settings. Keep in mind that this will completely erase your iPhone, removing your Apple ID, wallet, and disabling Find My iPhone. But since you've backed everything up, you don't have to worry about losing your data. Tap Continue and the device will begin the factory reset process. This will wipe all data from your iPhone, leaving it as if it were brand new. From there, you can either set it up again for personal use, or if you're planning to sell or give it away, you can do so with peace of mind, knowing your data is safely backed up to iCloud. Hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps out. Thanks, everyone.